What do you think? Intrinsic or extrinsic? Extrinsic. Extrinsic or intrinsic question will you ask?
It's hard, but only because
I'm going to read some information and you're going to listen patient. And there are two kinds. About intrinsic and extrinsic motivation here, and we've been teaching the difference between the two. English education in high school in Japan tends to emphasize extrinsic rewards, high grades. The trouble with this is that when students finish school, then they don't want to learn anymore. And unfortunately, a lot of the students who enter university, we find that their level of motivation is almost exhausted. We hope that students can develop a more internal or intrinsic motivation when they come to MLSE through exposure to task-based learning, through exposure to group work and social learning environments, through developing presentation skills and some sense of enjoyment in the actual task or the actual information or the actual learning itself, not just because the teacher says or because there is a test tomorrow. We see over the years that students develop a sense of internal motivation, particularly when they come back from study abroad, and they can certainly identify the reasons why they were studying English. When they go abroad, they see there's a very clear connection between them learning English and the actual use of English in a real context. And that's a very key part of our program, I think.